Hello friends, today we are going to do the 2-digit subtraction. Before that, if you don't know 1-digit subtraction, then you will check our video 1-digit subtraction. Okay? Then you will see this one. If you know, then let's start with today's video. Okay? If you are new to our channel, then please do like, share and subscribe. And please follow Kidoctive Homeschooling FB page. Okay? Now start. Okay, numbers. So the upper number is 24 and the lower one is 12. So always see the ones place. How we are arranging? Tens and ones. In ones place there are two numbers, 4 and 2. Okay, always see the upper number. If that is more than the lower one, then you will easily subtract. Like 4 minus 2. You have 4 fingers, show me your 4 fingers, then hide your 2 fingers. Then what you will get? You will get 2, right? So you are going to write here 2. So here in tens place there is 1 and 2, but 2 in up and 1 in down. So 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is the answer. So how you going to do this? We are going to sing one rhyme for that, okay? Take away, don't you add, like here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to take away 2, okay? That's what makes the number sad. So 4 now became 2. So number is sad or not? Start with more and lose a few. Start with more and lose few. What remains belongs to you. What remains? Remains 2. 2 remains belongs to us. Always minus high to low. This one is 4 is more and 2 is less. So always minus, this one is minus symbol. Always minus high to low. Okay. That's the rule. You need to know if the numbers are the same. Okay. If you find out the numbers are same, like 17 minus 7. Here in ones place you can see the numbers are same. Okay. If the numbers are same, then 0 is the answer. If there are 7 numbers, you are going to cross out 7 numbers, then you will get 0. And 1. Okay. 1 you have to keep like this because there is nothing here. Here there is 0. The number minus 0 is the same number. Okay. Now, if the top is less than the one below, okay, this one is the top of one, this one is the below. If the top is less than one below, 2 is less and 3 is more, right? You must borrow. Now you know. You have to borrow from the tens place. Where is the tens place? Here is the tens place. So you have to borrow 1 from 9. So you have to write here. So it makes 12. Now 12 is less or more? 12 is more. Okay. Now 12 is more and down 3 is less. Okay. So 12 minus 3. You have to count back 3 numbers. 11, 10, then 9. Very good. So you are going to write here 9. Okay. And here after taking 1 from 9, what you will get? 9 minus 1 is, before number of 9 is 8. So here you are going to write 8. So 8 is more or less? 8 is more than 5. So 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. Show me your 5 fingers and count back. Before number of 8 is 7. Then 6, 5, 4, 3. Then you will get 3. So the answer is 39. Okay. So I hope you know the subtraction rule and how to subtract. Okay. Thank you for watching, my little ones. Do like, share and subscribe. And please follow Kidoctive Homeschooling.